Hello everyone. Scholar Labs is an innovative virtual platform that brings science experiments to life through 3D augmented reality. Simulations designed by expert educators enhance the learning experience and are accessible on all devices without needing special equipment. Today I will be taking you through the simulation Transportation in Animals and Plants. This simulation allows you to explore, observe, and analyze the human circulatory and excretory system. You will also be able to understand how transportation system works in plants. The simulation opens with a game plan to help participants understand the key concepts it aims to teach. Go through them carefully and then click on the cross button to get back to the main screen. The buttons on the right side of the screen allows you to view the simulation at different angles. For top view, click on T. For front view, click on F, and so on. Click on the zoom slider on the bottom left corner of the screen to zoom in and zoom out. This button allows you to show or hide the labels. To restart the simulation, click on Replay button. Let's get started. Transportation in animals is the combined effect of the circulatory system and the excretory system. Click on the circulatory system to open the drop-down menu. Click on the concept and system to understand the function of circulatory system in humans through an interactive 3D model. This board on the left side of the screen will guide you through the simulation. Press the left mouse button and drag the mouse to pan camera angle for 360-degree view of the human model. Blood is the fluid that flows in the blood vessels. There are two types of blood vessels, arteries and veins. The arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to different parts of the body, and the veins transport oxygen-deficient blood from all parts of the body to the heart. Click on the heart to visualize the step-by-step process of blood purification and circulation in the body. Heart is the main organ that pumps blood throughout the body. It has 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are called atrium and the lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. Have a look at the structure of the heart carefully. Click on the play button to start the animation. In the lungs, the exchange of gases takes place. The deoxygenated blood is oxygenated by the removal of carbon dioxide from it. This oxygenated blood then enters the left atrium of the heart via pulmonary vein. It then enters the left ventricle from where this oxygenated blood is pumped out of the heart to various body parts through aorta. The oxygenated blood gives its oxygen to body cells in exchange of carbon dioxide. The blood becomes deoxygenated and enters right atrium of the heart through superior and inferior vena cava. The deoxygenated blood then enters the right ventricle from where it is pumped out of the heart towards the lungs for purification via pulmonary artery. Since the blood flows through the heart twice, so the mechanism of blood flow is also called double circulation. Now, click on this menu button on the top left corner of the screen to go to the next topic. Click on the Blood Activity tab to identify the features and parts of the blood and blood vessels. Read the question carefully, have a look at the image to select the right component and then click on Next. To go to the previous question, click on Previous. For any kind of help, click on this button to display labels for each clickable part. Students can take quizzes at their own pace, allowing for a more personalized learning experience. Now click on the Submit button to see your answers. Scholar Virtual Lab often includes progress tracking, allowing both students and educators to monitor improvement over time and identify areas that may need further attention. Now click on Done. Now let's attempt another quiz to classify various day-to-day activities based on their corresponding heart rate. Select each activity card from the left panel and then select the corresponding heart rate from the right panel. Click on Submit button to see the correct answers. Red box around the activity card denotes wrong answer, while green box shows that your answer is correct. In case you want to reattempt the quiz, click on Restart Heartbeat Quiz. Click on this arrow button on the bottom left corner of the screen to expand the menu and then click on Restart button to go back to the main screen. Click on Excretory System and then click on Concept and System. The process of removal of waste out of the body is called excretion. Click on the highlighted area to view a 3D model of the human excretory system. The human excretory system constitutes kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Click on the play button to see the excretory system in action. The waste which is present in the blood has to be removed from the body. Kidneys are the main excretory organs which regulate the balance of water and minerals in the body. When the blood reaches the two kidneys through renal artery, it contains both useful and harmful substances. The useful substances are absorbed back into the blood and the waste dissolved in blood is removed as urine. From the kidneys, the urine goes into the urinary bladder through the tube-like ureters. It is stored in the bladder and is passed out through the urinary opening called urethra. Click on the menu button to take a quiz on kidneys. Go through the questions carefully and choose the right answer. Click on Next to go to the next question. If you want to go to the previous question, click on Previous. Submit your answer by clicking on Submit button. Your score will appear at the top of the screen. Click on Done to go back to the main screen. It is extremely important to circulate water, essential nutrients, gases, and excretory products within the plant for various purposes. Click on Transport System in Plants and take part in an activity. Click on the knife to cut and make a hole in the potato. Click on the beaker of water to pour water into the petri dish. Place the potato in the petri dish by clicking on it. Fill the potato with the sugar solution by clicking on the beaker. Now, click on this pin to set it at the sugar level in the potato. Keep an eye on the timer. After about 3 hours, you will notice increase in level of the potato, demonstrating that for very short distances, water can move from one cell to another. Click on Menu button and then click on Transportation Quiz. The vascular tissues, xylem and phloem, are responsible for transportation in plants. Xylem is involved in the conduction of water from root hairs to the rest of the plant parts, while food molecules are transported to the necessary regions with the help of phloem. With this quiz, you will be able to distinguish the features of xylem and phloem. Click on each card to see the feature and classify by clicking on xylem or phloem box. Classify all cards and then click on Submit. If you wish to take the quiz one more time, click on Restart Quiz. Thanks for watching.